My name is Dan Nelson, and I'm an Assistant U.S. Attorney in Kansas City.
My name is Kristen Tuohy, and I'm a First Assistant Prosecuting Attorney with the Christian County Prosecutor's Office.
My name is Juengel Radefeld, and I'm a partner with the law firm of Frank, Juengel Radefeld located in Clayton.
The mission in my current job is to seek and serve justice. It is my goal to serve my community to the best of my abilities and to continue to strive to give the community the best possible representation that I can. Typically when a case goes to trial, it's not ever a perfect case for the prosecution, so it's part of my job to figure out what the weaknesses in the case is so that I can present the best possible prosecution and advocate the best that I can for the victim, or in the case where the victim may be the state of Missouri, the best possible prosecution to seek a just result.
Being able to help out others who really need the help. When you're doing prosecution, you are trying to help people who don't necessarily have a voice for themselves or weren't able to protect themselves. And I think the same goes true for defendants. I feel as if every person deserves their day in court if that's what they want. Because at the end of the day, it's either going to be the jury or it's going to be the judge that's going to make the final decision, or maybe if it's even the prosecutor, if they decide that, you know what, maybe the charges should be something less. So a lot of times when people come up to me and they ask me, how do you do what you do? How can you defend somebody that you know is guilty? And I look at them and I say, it's pretty easy, because I'm defending the Constitution. I'm giving these people, you know, their rights, their day in court. It's the best system we have in the world, where ultimately the jury or the judge or the prosecutor are going to make the decisions, and I'm there as their voice.
I try to prepare every case like my career is on the line, because it is. I try to dig in and find the best facts and the worst facts, and then I try to come up with a theory of trial that incorporates both the best and the worst facts. And then I try to marshal all my facts in the most persuasive way possible to tell my story and to prove my case. I never forget the awesome power that the government has over the lives of individuals. Every defendant that we charge and every defendant's family will be impacted by the decisions that we make. So it's not about winning and losing. It's not about being 65-0. It's about doing the right thing and for making the right decisions for the right reasons. And I try to never forget that power that the government has.
I would suggest just taking advantage of every opportunity that one has to be in the courtroom, to watch jury trials, to learn from other attorneys that try jury trials. Really, it is an art, and it takes a lot of practice to be good, to be a good trial attorney and a good advocate. And certainly everybody needs to come up with their own unique style as to how they try a case, but you can learn a lot just by watching other attorneys in trials and spending a lot of time in the courtroom.
You really have to do whatever you can to become the best at whatever it is that you want to be. If you want to be a great trial attorney, you have to put your heart and soul into it. You know, read books that are out there, you know, about how to, you know, effectively argue your case. Take every opportunity that you can possibly get as a young attorney to speak in front of others. And also, you have to have compassion and empathy for your clients as well, because if you don't listen to your clients, then I don't think you can be that effective in your job, because I think juries pick up upon what you are saying to them.
I think credibility is the #1 factor for effective advocacy. If nobody believes you, then they're not going to be persuaded by you. So that means, as a lawyer, don't exaggerate, don't cry wolf, don't play dirty, no cheap tricks. Just communicate openly and honestly with your opposing counsel and with the court, and that's how you build your credibility.